Katherine Frey, The Washington Post, Getty Images. The last United Airlines 747 is greeted by water cannons after it makes its final landing at Dulles International Airport October 19, 2017 in Dulles, VA. A mysterious odor in the cabin of a United flight leaving Baltimore-Washington Airport prompted pilots to divert the plane and make an emergency landing at Dulles International Airport on Friday. 7 passengers were sent to local hospitals for evaluation, according to the Metropolitan Washington Airports Authority, which represents both airports. The aircraft, a Boeing 737, was headed to San Francisco International Airport and landed without incident, airport officials said. Fire and rescue personnel at Dulles responded reports of an odor aboard United Flight 1675. United didn't immediately respond to a request for comment.